that doing?
So it's gonna blow it up.
What the fuck? Tom, what'd you put in here? What the fuck did you put in here?
Yeah, you know who it is now, no? Yeah, see?
Oh no! Was she scared at first? Because on that.
That's the thing. What'd you do? What was that? What was that? What was that? Will the slug work?
No, are you gonna try to grab Papa?
Here, buddy. Ah! Whoa! You're a dick.
Can you spray a fart spray in here?
Move it!
Oh, God!